It was late in the afternoon when I stepped into the kitchen, the soft golden light slipping through the window like a quiet invitation. Outside, the world was loud, tricycles passing, kids shouting, vendors calling out. But inside, everything felt calm. Today, I was cooking tinola, and somehow, every time I make it, it feels like I'm stirring a little bit of home back into my day. I placed the chicken on the board. Fresh, tender, still cool to the touch. As the knife pressed through, I remembered how my mother used to do this so effortlessly, chopping each piece with a steady rhythm toke. Toke, toke, like a heartbeat, guiding the meal. I heated oil in the pot, and the moment the onions hit the pan, they sizzled, like they were whispering secrets. The ginger followed, its aroma sharp and warm, swirling with memories of rainy days when I'd sit by the window, wrapped in a blanket, waiting for a hot bowl. Then the garlic, always the last, always the one that completes the fragrant trio. I heated oil in the pot, and the moment the onions hit the pan, they sizzled like they were whispering secrets. The ginger followed, its aroma sharp and warm, swirling with memories of rainy days when I'd sit by the window, wrapped in a blanket, waiting for a hot bowl. Then the garlic, always the last, always the one that completes the fragrant trio. As it boiled, I prepared the green papaya, crisp, pale, and smooth. I peeled it, sliced it, and dropped the pieces into the bubbling broth. They sank slowly, like little boats diving into a warm sea. Soon after, the chili leaves, fresh, bright, gently bitter, waited in a bowl, ready to bring the dish to life. When I lifted the lid again, a wave of steam rushed out, fogging my glasses and filling the kitchen with pure comfort. The papaya had softened, the chicken looked tender, and the broth had deepened into a clear, golden soup that smelled like childhood, like warmth, like home. I turned off the heat and sprinkled the chili leaves on top. They wilted instantly, their green turning deeper, releasing a soft herbal aroma. I filled a bowl, the kind we've always had in the house, and the warmth immediately spread through my hands. I took the first spoonful and tasted everything at once. The soothing broth, the soft papaya, the tender chicken, the gentle kick of ginger. It wasn't just tinola, it was a memory, a comfort, a reminder that no matter how busy, noisy, or heavy the world becomes, there will always be a bowl of something warm waiting at home.